Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by assembling essential tools and creating a baseline so you can spot deviations later. Start a 10-15 minute ambient recording with your EMF meter, digital recorder, and infrared camera. This gives you reference data. While sensors run, ground yourself and state neutral intent. This reduces bias. Once done, log time, location, and environmental notes. Make sure to avoid provocations or suggestions to witnesses. You want clean, comparable data for objective analysis. Now you move into active detection. Perform short, neutral prompts every 2 to 3 minutes, keeping them consistent so you can match responses to actions. Watch live EMF readings for sudden spikes and listen for EVP-style anomalies on the recorder. Mark timestamps immediately. Simultaneously scan infrared or thermal footage for transient hot or cold zones and cross-reference those frames with audio events. If multiple sensors show correlated changes, you've reduced false positives. Continue methodically and document each occurrence for later review. Finish by systematically reviewing your recorded files. Align timestamps across devices and filter routine noise to isolate anomalies. Classify each event as environmental, equipment artifact, or unexplained. This clarifies credibility. Once done, save raw and processed files in separate, labeled folders and write a concise incident summary noting conditions and possible explanations. If you can't reproduce a suspected event, don't assume confirmation. Retest under similar conditions. Troubleshooting tip. If persistent noise appears, swap or recalibrate one sensor at a time to identify hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.